I really like to find problems and then find the solution. I think this is something very UX related. Like all UX designers really like to solve problems and make the world a better place. Hi, I'm Patricia Reiners. I'm an Adobe Creative Resident this year, and I'm a UX UI designer from Berlin.
I am going to focus on our future cities, new technologies like augmented reality, voice control, or artificial intelligence. The topic of the future city is huge, so I'm going to focus on mobility, new work, and living. UX is like the whole process, everything you do in those, like in the huge design process. UI is only like the little part of the user interface. UI means everything design related. UX is everything in the meantime or before.
I used to be a graphic designer, so I studied graphic design, so everything print related, and then I switched to UX. And this switch was really tough because I had the feeling that I had to start really from scratch, from the beginning. So I would like to share my knowledge and things I'm doing so other people going to have an easier start when they want to switch to UX. I think there's so much uncertainty in the future of UX UI, so I hope that I am going to take a very small part in helping to understand where the future of UX is going. I want to engage with my community, and I want to humanize my design process and to share it with the world.